We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. There are two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, this is said as Tsar, Tsar, with a S sound and a long R sound, Tsar. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as Czar, with a Z sound or a Z sound. Czar in American English versus Tsar in British English, and now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.